Hello Silly Bakers, let's make these gluten-free protein cookie bars. You want to grease and line an 8x8 or a 9x9 baking pan. We are going to make this in a food processor, but you can simply make this in a bowl. It's a very sticky mixture, which is why I'm using the food processor. We're using 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter. You can also do almond butter for the recipe. 3/4 of a cup of coconut sugar. You can also use a brown sugar substitute. 2 eggs. 1/4 cup of butter that I've melted and I've also browned. You don't have to brown the butter, and you can also use coconut oil if you like. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we are going to mix this until it's just combined. And as you can see, it is a very sticky, thick mixture. We're going to add 1 cup of almond flour and 1/2 cup of rolled oats. And I'm also adding a 1/4 cup of vanilla protein powder. If you don't want to add the protein powder, just add an additional 1/4 cup of almond flour. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And using my food processor, I'm going to pulse this until everything comes together. And you can see it's very, very thick. And now it's time for your add-ins. The great thing about this recipe, guys, is that it's completely customizable. It's 1 cup of add-ins. So we want to add 1/2 a cup right now, and we're going to mix that through. And once it's mixed through, we are going to press this into our baking pan. We want to press this in a nice even layer. I find the spatula is the best thing to use here. You can use raisins, cranberries, you can use different types of chocolates, you can use a combination of things, nuts, whatever you like. That's the great thing about this recipe. And we're going to add the additional 1/2 cup of chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate here, a combination of chopped and chocolate chips. That's all I had. And we're just going to press that in just so it doesn't burn. We're ready to bake. 350 for 20 to 25 minutes until it's slightly browned. You want to undercook it just a little bit so it stays nice and soft and chewy. Enjoy these delicious gluten-free protein cookie bars. Makes about 16 servings. Each serving is about 8 grams of protein, and you're also getting 3 grams of fiber. It tastes indulgent, but has some really good for you ingredients in there for you. It is so good.